Hey guys, this is going to be a very small video because let's be honest, I haven't been entertaining myself too much, and I know you guys kind of like watching these videos just to get an idea of what you guys could try out next. So I hope you guys enjoy it as I continue to talk about my entertainment. What shows am I watching? Oh my god, quite a few right now. I'm watching I Feel Bad. I think that's what you say it. I Feel Bad. I'm watching The Good Place. I'm watching the next season of American Horror Story. I'm watching One Punch Man again. I'm watching My Hero Academia again. And it's usually whatever my mood is or whatever comes on the recording first that I watch. I'm also trying to watch the next season of Supernatural, but for some reason my beta version of my Xfinity isn't showing that it's coming up, but it's showing it on the main TV. So I have to go watch it out there, and nobody got time for that. So those are the ones I'm currently watching. I think I'm most excited for, honestly, One Punch Man, although I've already seen it. But I have to watch that before bed because I have to watch something that's positive before bed. Otherwise I have bad dreams, and I have bad dreams anyways. So it's just Zach's way of trying to handle that. Next, games. I've been playing a lot of Warframe again, and I've been playing Rune Factory Tides of Destiny on my Wii U. So those two games, but I'm trying to get into Breath of the Wild from Zelda. We didn't get the console. We borrowed it from someone and they said go ahead and wipe it because I never play on it and I'll give you a price eventually and you can pay for it. So we're going to be doing that soon. And I'm really excited about it because I can get so many of the old Zelda games. Yes I can. I'm so excited about that. Sorry. I'm excited about that because I like playing those old games on a bigger screen TV because I don't like looking at those small things too much. And they have Majora's Mask on the bigger screen. I don't think you guys quite understand how excited I am about that. Now, I don't know if it'll be on the bigger screen or if it's just going to be on the little tablet thing, but at least it's bigger than my DS. So that's all I care about. I love Majora's Mask. It is my favorite game. Of all the games I've ever played, Majora's Mask is my top. And I plan on getting some tattoos from it too. So books. I haven't been reading that many books lately because I haven't been quite right in the mind lately. So I haven't been really reading any books because of it. There's one book that is in my bathroom right now that I've been reading. It's called Monsters. Hold on, let me go get it. It's the exploration of otherworldly Bigfoots, Wolfmen, portals, phantoms, and odd phenomenons. It's called Monsters Among Us by Linda S. Godfrey. And this is what it looks like. I bought this at Barnes & Noble when I first moved down here, and I barely read any of it, but I'm starting to read it again. I'm very, very interested in cryptozoology and stuff like that, so this book was for me when I saw it. And I'm getting back to reading it. And I'm reading a mermaid book also, one of those ones that talk about different mermaids. So if you guys are interested in that type of stuff also, I do have a channel called Between Monsters and Men, which I talk about these sort of things. So go check that out if you're interested. And manga. I'm currently trying to read Dean Angel, but I'm not caring for it so far. On the side, I'm also reading the Legend of Zelda mangas. So we have a couple, so I just finished reading manga. Just finished reading Majora's Mask and A Link to the Past. So yeah, that is all for my entertainment. I've been listening to a lot of Spotify, so I can't say that that's my next one that I've been listening to, but I know I've been listening to I've been listening to a lot of epic pop by Jenny Music. I really like the whole epic, like, instrumental stuff that you hear in background of trailers, those really epic songs, like the suspenseful ones. I like those a lot for some reason, and I've been listening to Jenny Music. Maybe if I remember, I'll write down her thing down here. If I remember. My memory is so bad lately. And it's just really good. She has a lot of really good ones on there. So yeah, I've been listening to that. So I hope you guys like. I hope this has inspired you to try out a few different things. Maybe you're in slump and you're like, oh, that actually sounds good. I've heard of that before. Maybe I'll try that one out. And I hope you guys do, because it's fun to try out new things. So like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. And please keep watching. Oh, and hit that algorithm. Please. So thumbs up.